In this episode of My Garage Build, I will finally give this corner a makeover by getting rid of this disgusting sink and fixing up the outlet. Like all good beginnings, this one starts with a good cleanup. Clean as a whistle. I'm glad this is going away. Ah yes, a typical my uncle can do it cheaper job, but I can improve it. I can definitely do it better. This is the kind of outlet tube that I will put in, but before I need to make a hole for it so it doesn't stick out like the one before, and it has the necessary drop for the water. Alright, so now I have to find the center of this pipe so that I can match the outlet exit. Time to mask the outlet so that debris doesn't fall inside and clog it. There we go. This is how much water dripped during the night because of my old water pipe. I've closed the main water valve and now it's time to empty the water that is left inside the pipes. This old pipe just has to go. And I've already bought a new replacement that should last a minimum of 20 more years. And in he goes. I'm gonna need a little bit more force to get it in just right. There we go. That's not going anywhere. I can't believe that putting this new pipe on gives me so much excitement. I was literally waiting 2 days to see how it will look, and it's finally happening. I have yet to experience all the excitement that life after 30 has in store for me, so can't wait. Okay, so this is on. Now we have to test if it works correctly and holds water like it should. Excellent, it checks out. Job well done. This is the prototype pipe that I've prepared so that it has the necessary fit, fall for water, and that it's flush with the wall and vertically centered with the pipe. Styrofoam to the rescue. Okay, let's see. It does the job. Maybe I'll add another one to the right, but overall it's good. Time to clean the old outlet pipe from all the dirt and grime that has accumulated. Alright, time to lube up the pipes and prepare them for a long-lasting marriage. The tube is in the main outlet. Now I just have to finish that drop and I'm ready to seal it in.
Vertically, the wall looks pretty straight, but if we check it horizontally,
we can see that there's a big gap in the middle. If I want my decorative stone to look good, this wall must be evened out. So here we go again. With the wall now done, it's time to prepare for the next phase, the decorative stone and new sink. So I'll see you guys in the next episode.